Welcome to Barcelona Unleashed. Your express ticket to the heart of Catalonia's vibrant capital. Dive into the city's soul with the architectural marvel, Sagrada Familia. Stroll along the historic Gothic quarter, and marvel at the intricate details of Park Güell. Barcelona's iconic attractions in a blink. Now, let's savor the flavors. Indulge in paella by the beach, taste the freshness of seafood at La Boqueria Market, and satisfy your sweet tooth with creamy churros. Foodie paradise, right in Barcelona. Feel the rhythm at a flamenco show, soak up the sun at Barceloneta Beach, and join the festive spirit at La Mers Festival. Barcelona's experiences are as diverse as its culture. Barcelona, a city of endless allure. Which spot are you adding to your bucket list first? Comment below and stay tuned for more unleashed adventures.